Can you smile when you snore? Beena's friends were all sleeping. They were making a lot of noise. Hoyink, snored the pigs. Keek keek, snored the mice. Ssssssss, snored the hens. Do your friends snore? We could not sleep all night, said Minty Uncle. We could not sleep a wink, said Cudgel Auntie. I could not sleep at all, said Big Bird. What can I do if my friends snore? Wailed Beena. What would you do?
Ha!
Said the village head. People should climb this tree to bring down the fruits. People should sit and talk to each other under this tree. People should play under this tree after they have finished their work. But why? Asked Beena. Why do you think? The moon knew why. So she smiled. She smiled at the tree. She smiled at the village head. She smiled at the sleeping animals. Do you think the moon really smiles? Kutu, the pup, wanted to help Beena. Beena is not happy. It seems we all snore very loudly. The villagers are angry with her. Can you help in any way? He asked Jenna, the bee. Why do sounds make people unhappy? The sound of my buzzing makes my friends sleep well. Kutu spoke to Beena. Beena walked up to Big Bird and sighed, Big Bird, may I ask our friend Jenna to sing a lullaby for you?
Grrr.
Growled Big Bird, still in a very bad mood. Are you ever in a bad mood? Kutu went to Madame Ola next. Why do people get angry when they cannot sleep well? You look so nice and happy even though you have not slept all night, said Kutu. That is because I am up on this tree. I fly. I hunt. I work. I stretch. And when I catch a rat, I'm happy and content. The moon's smile became wide, a bit more, wider. And her eyes grew. What happens to your eyes when you smile wider and wider and wider? And can you smile when you snore? Or snore when you smile? Beena and Kutu met under the tree. Why did the village head want people to come to the tree? Because, do you know why? Beena's friends came to the tree one by one. Soon, they were laughing and dancing under the tree. Beena looked at them and, aha! She knew the why. When people work with each other, they smile a lot. When they play with each other, they smile a lot. And then, when they sleep happily and really do not mind if anyone snores. Sometimes they smile in their sleep. And snore in their sleep too. The pig can go hoink hoink with a smile.